Welcome to our comparison of the MSI B550 Gaming GEN3 and the MSI B760 Gaming Plus Wi-Fi motherboards. In this video, we will explore the key differences and similarities between these two popular motherboards from MSI. We'll cover their CPU compatibility, RAM support, and PCIe capabilities, helping you decide which one is the best fit for your gaming needs. Let's dive in. The MSI B550 Gaming GEN3 motherboard supports AMD Ryzen 5000 and 4000 G-series processors, making it an excellent choice for AMD enthusiasts. On the other hand, the MSI B760 Gaming Plus Wi-Fi is designed for the latest Intel processors, including the 12th, 13th, and 14th generations. This difference in CPU compatibility is crucial for users to consider when building their gaming PCs. When it comes to RAM support, the B550 Gaming GEN3 motherboard supports DDR4 memory, allowing for speeds up to 4,400 MHz with overclocking. In contrast, the B760 Gaming Plus Wi-Fi motherboard supports the newer DDR5 RAM, with speeds reaching up to 6,800 MHz. This advancement in memory technology provides the B760 with a significant performance edge, especially for high-end gaming and multitasking. The MSI B550 Gaming GEN3 features PCIe 3.0, which is adequate for many gaming setups but lacks the speed of newer standards. In contrast, the B760 Gaming Plus Wi-Fi is equipped with PCIe 4.0, offering faster data transfer rates and improved performance for high-end graphics cards and storage solutions. This makes the B760 a better choice for gamers looking to maximize their system's potential. In conclusion, both the MSI B550 Gaming GEN3 and the MSI B760 Gaming Plus Wi-Fi motherboards have their strengths and weaknesses. The B550 is budget-friendly and supports AMD processors, while the B760 offers advanced features like DDR5 support and PCIe 4.0 for Intel CPUs. Your choice ultimately depends on your specific needs and budget. If you found this comparison helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more content.